Hi guys, it's me, Annie Fuego, and I wanted to come and talk to you again about how fun learning is and how sometimes learning takes patience. So I thought I would do a little science today about patience. So I brought an egg with me. And like an egg, I'm going to make this egg bounce. Watch. It's raw, by the way. It's not a cooked egg or a hard-boiled egg. Like, I just got this egg right outside of my fridge just now. It's raw. I'm going to make it bounce. I sort of hope it doesn't break when I drop it right now. Ready? Oh. It didn't bounce, did it? It just sort of like rolled. It didn't bounce. You know why it didn't bounce? Because the shell on the outside of the egg doesn't bounce. So I need to get the shell to come off. But that's going to take patience. So I brought a jar and I brought some vinegar, and I'm going to put the egg in the jar and pour vinegar over it. And this shell, it's made of calcium carbonate, and this vinegar has some acid in it. It's like mostly water vinegar, but it also has some acid. So if I carefully put the egg that doesn't bounce yet in the jar, and then I cover it completely with vinegar, what's going to happen is this vinegar is going to eat away at the shell, and the shell's going to dissolve. But it takes patience. So now we have to wait for like 2 days. So I'll set it right here, and we'll just watch it for a long time because it's going to take like 2 days. All right. Maybe I'll like pause the video a minute because like 2 days is a long time to wait together. But remember, sometimes learning takes patience, especially distance learning. But learning is fun. Okay, I'll come back. It's so hard to be patient sometimes. It's still there. It's been like days. My egg is getting really, really fat. Want to know why? It's because it's soaking in some of the water from the vinegar inside the egg. That's strange, but true. It's been 72 hours. I'm going to take it out. You got to be really careful taking it out. It's actually really hard to get out. Oh, I actually can't. Oh, I'm getting it. Ah, I have it in my hands. And now I have to be so gentle. The shell is like almost off completely. And I'm just gently rubbing it because the membrane is very gentle. Do you see these white little bubbles? That's like the shell. You know what you have to do now? You have to rinse it gently underwater so that all that shell washes away. If you rinse it underwater too hard, the membrane will break because it's a very delicate. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna rinse it underwater and then maybe it will bounce in a bouncing egg. Let's try it. I'll be right back. I'm back. I was really careful because I didn't want my egg to break because remember, it's raw. And the tiniest little tear in the membrane would make the egg break. And then I'd have egg all over my hands, maybe my face. Okay, so now, if you do this at home, you're gonna wanna shine a flashlight into this egg because it's translucent. You can see inside because the shell's totally gone. And now, ready? Remember what I told you? I'm going to teach you how to make an egg bounce. Let's try it. Here we go. Are you ready? I'm really ready. Watch again. Bouncing egg. It's seriously neat, right? Learning is so fun. So fun. Keep it up, guys. You know what? You can do it. You can keep learning. You have what it takes. You're doing a good job. Maybe you can make an egg bounce. And you know what, guys? Just be patient with yourself and you can do it. Don't give up, okay?